Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and like the video because it really does help out my channel and your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $940 billion. We have seen the market cap go up 13.6% over the last 24 hours. Definitely something nice to see right now. Meanwhile, BTC dominance on the other hand is currently sitting at 41.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, especially in the last 24 hours, massive green across the board. Something definitely overdue that we need to see, especially having a massive bloodbath, massive crypto crash over the past few days. So definitely something nice to see, but nothing to get too excited about right now. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and that's none other than Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the price of Vechain right now, currently sitting at 0.023 cents, up 5.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's down 2.5% in Bitcoin compared over the last 24 hours, with its current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking at the top 35th spot. Market cap right now is still at that $1.7 billion with the 24-hour trading volume sitting at $166.7 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture in just the last year alone, we're still down 77%. But if we're zooming out and looking at the Vechain's all-time low, which was back on March 13th, guys, we're still up 1,100% still then. So we can't forget that when we are looking at the prices for Vechain. But now let's get right into the charts and see what exactly is going on with the price of Vechain and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So right away, as you guys can see, nothing new has been happening within the price of Vechain, especially if I'm looking at the daily time frame. Not much you can see is happening. Still a lot of sideways movement happening within the Vechain's price, currently sitting at 0.023 cents. But if I am showing you guys the 1 hour time frame, again, this brings out a zoomed out picture. You can really get to see what has been happening over the past couple of weeks or so. But since the beginning of June, we have seen, we saw the price of Vechain hovering around the 3.2 cents mark. And then obviously you guys know what happened with the price of Bitcoin. Really saw a massive price correction within its price, causing the price of Vechain to really go towards the downside. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, since June 8th, we saw the price of Vechain go down about 31%. And since then we have been hovering sideways for quite some time. Yesterday we did see the price go all the way down to 2 cents. 2 cents after we saw the massive flash crash within the Bitcoin's price, saw the price of Bitcoin go down to $17,000, which we have not seen since 2020. So obviously Vechain is going to react, but we have seen a nice upwards momentum. I'm running out of words. Nice upwards momentum since then. If I'm bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, if you picked up some Vechain around this 2 cents mark, you are already up 14%. Nothing crazy going on. You could come and say, hey, other projects are up 30, 40, 50%, but Vechain is only up 14%. A lot of people can make that claim, and that is obvious. But Vechain is still up 14%, which a lot of people are ignoring right now. And the fact that people were willing to, I still don't understand. People were willing to buy Vechain around that 18 cents mark, FOMO in. And now when the price is sitting at 2.2 cents, people are very hesitant. That just blows my mind. And without a doubt, you guys already know my stance on Vechain. I do believe this project is going to have its time. I am a strong believer that this project is going to have its time. The people, the investors, the community members, the strong community members that are holding and have patience right now are the ones that are going to be rewarded in the immediate short term. It might not happen this week. It might not happen next week. It might be in a couple months from now on. But I'm a strong believer when the next bull cycle really does return, Vechain is going to be above 25 cents. I can I'm very, very optimistic on that. But again, this is just my own personal opinion, not financial advice. We will see what happens. BTC's price, on the other hand, as I have mentioned earlier, we have saw the price of Bitcoin go all the way down to 17,000 for the first time ever since 2020. But since then, what a beautiful bounce back we have seen for the price of Bitcoin. Right now, currently sitting at $20,553. I do want to see the price of Bitcoin close above $22,000, and I don't care if the price of Bitcoin stays above that 22K mark. I am totally fine with that. It can take a month or two to consolidate around there. Totally fine with that, but we need to see the price of Bitcoin go above there. Until then, we're not out of the woods just yet, but we will definitely take this upwards momentum that we have seen within the markets over the past 24 hours, especially after having a massive dump within the cryptocurrency market. So definitely we'll take that. But as I mentioned, Vechain right now, without a doubt, is one of the most undervalued projects in the cryptocurrency space. And don't think that people aren't aware of that. A lot of people are underestimating the fact that Vechain has been forgotten about. No one knows about it, but there are smart, sophisticated players that are still eyeing Vechain right now. And some people are even buying Vechain OTC. And OTC does not impact the current price because it's done over the counter. So we are seeing that happen as well. So things are looking very, very nice. Obviously, the price is not looking too nice right now. We are not seeing it go all the way up back to the 78.6 zone, which we have not seen since back on April 19th. So the price of Vechain has not seen this level for quite some time, and this is my next target where I really am eyeing the price of Vechain, especially if we do see upwards momentum carry on. This is the zone that I will be eyeing out, and once the price goes above here, things could really start getting exciting very, very fast. Once the price of Vechain moves up, it moves up very, very fast. And if you are here for quite some time, you guys already know that. And the people that are accumulating right now are the ones that are going to be rewarded when the bullish momentum does return. Do not forget, I keep on saying this. Forget about the price right now, guys. Forget about the price. Go look at what Vechain is doing. Are they innovating? Are they becoming bigger than they were last year? Are they making bigger partnerships? Do they have a working product? Are companies using their products? You always want to look at that. Obviously, we all want to be millionaires tomorrow. We all want to be driving Lambos tomorrow. But if that were the case, everyone would be driving Lambos tomorrow. So, we need to think about it realistically, and most importantly, have patience. Patience is the number one key to have, whether it's stock market, cryptocurrencies, and also you want to do your due diligence and research when you're investing in these markets. If you have done that, patience is your number one key to follow. Right now, as I mentioned, Vechain is extremely undervalued compared to other altcoins right now, and I do see Vechain's next bull cycle, whether it's 8 months from now on, 12 months from now on, I do see Vechain having a very, very positive outcome when the bull run really does return. I personally don't think that the bear market is going to be as long as we have seen in the past. The reason as to why I'm saying that is because, previous cycles, we were in a total different time than we are right now. Right now, we are seeing interest rates at extraordinary levels. We are seeing inflation. We are also seeing, a lot of uncertainty within the stock market. And you guys know what Bitcoin was made for. It's an inflationary hedge. It's a hedge against inflation. And I do believe this is the time for Bitcoin to shine. And overall, the time where we're in, the time where the space is in, it's no longer the early stages. We are seeing institutions coming in, and I don't see this bear market lasting too long from what we have seen in the past. But only time is going to tell, as I have mentioned. But let me know what you guys are doing right now within the price of Vechain right now. Like I said, my next target for the price of Vechain is around that 6.3 cents mark, which is quite some ways right now, especially if we're thinking where the price is currently sitting at now. But let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of Vechain go at the end of this year. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you guys, especially my Vechain family. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support you guys have shown me over the years. I love each each and every one of you guys. And always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. I love you all. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.